The natural man is very greedy and possessive. Anything that comes to his hand, he wants to keep. He does not want to give. That's why we have Mr. Keep and Mr. Give. Mr. Keep is carnal and selfish. Mr. Give is selfless and spiritual. It takes spirituality to be able to give. Because poverty is a spirit, and giving is the only spirit that can conquer it. And that spirit is what we describe also as engracement. So, giving wine is all about giving grace. The grace to let go. We need that grace. Because that grace is what Jesus had. You know the grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, who even though was rich, he became poor, that you through his poverty that he became might be made. Who is a rich man? A rich man is one who is making himself poor every day for someone else to be rich. Who is a rich man? A rich man is one who is pouring out for others to have. Who is a rich man? A rich man is one who is letting go for the needs of someone to be met. It's not the one who possesses, but the one who distributes. That's who he is. You need the giving grace. When that grace comes on you, you become like a drunk in giving. The widow of Zarephath said to Elijah, I want to eat with my son and die. And Elijah said, don't eat and die, give and live. Eating, keeping is dying. Giving and giving is living. Somebody say amen.